Welcome, beautiful souls. Welcome to yet another series of Rise and Heal. I honor you for showing up, for choosing yourself, your healing, and your transformation. Now, this is not any other video, it's a sacred journey. And today, as we begin seeing this video, we call upon the element of fire, the flame of courage, of strength, of renewal. Now, inside you, there's a fire that has never gone out. Life may have dimmed it, maybe fear, maybe pain, or any past traumas or doubt. All these might have created a layer above it, and it may have been covered by this layer. But today, we are going to recognize that yes, we all have that fire, and we are going to take one step forward. We are going to awaken it. We'll rise with it. Now, this sacred fire is your life force. It is your power to transform, to rise beyond limitations, to claim the life your soul was born to live. And today, we step into it together. Now, why it is so important? Well, fire, as we all know, is the energy of transformation. Think about it like this. When any fire burns, it burns anything, but it only transforms the shape. It only transforms the form. What remains back is the ashes. It never finishes at all. It never disappears in the atmosphere. It only changes the form from one state to another. Similarly, in our own life, this fire which we have inside us represents our ability to let go of whatever is holding us back and create the space for your authentic self to shine. Now, when your fire is alive, you feel clear, energized, and unstoppable. You never second guess yourself. You act, you create, and you simply flow. But when this fire dims or it is covered by a layer, life starts to feel heavy. You feel stuck, drained, disconnected from your own true self. So today, we are going to awaken the sacred fire within you through a very powerful exercise which is called visualization. And we are going to get into the state where we are in the state of highest energy. And that state is the state that is going to help us achieve whatever we want in our life. All right. So are we ready for that? Great. Now sit comfortably with your spine tall, feet firmly on the ground, touching the ground. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, in through your nose. Now hold it and then exhale fully through your mouth. Again, in through your mouth, exhale through your mouth. In through your nose, exhale through your mouth. And as you continue to take these deep breaths, with each breath that you take in, feel yourself arriving more fully into this sacred moment. Bring all your energy, all your presence into this moment, into this sacred moment where you are just about to change your life. Now visualize roots growing from the base of your spine, anchoring deep into the Mother Earth. Now as you see roots going deeper and deeper into the earth, you begin to feel safe, held, and protected. Now nothing outside matters. This is your sacred space. Now in your mind's eye, begin to sense a circle of light forming around you. Now this circle of light becomes so thick that it finally changes into a balloon. Now, this balloon is nothing but your energetic container. And inside this balloon, you are untouchable and you are ready for your future. Now, as you continue to take deep breaths inside this balloon, imagine a sacred bonfire blazing before you. The flames are not like an ordinary fire. The flames are golden, violet, white, and the flames are dancing in harmony. These flames do not harm you, they heal you. Now, you may see the flames right in front of you, or you may just imagine them dancing in front of you. Whatever is the case with you, it is perfectly all right. Beautiful. Now, step closer to the fire. Feel its warmth caressing your skin, its energy pulling out the layers you no longer need. Now, as you continue to breathe, see all the layers being pulled out from your body. These are the layers that you no longer need in your life. Now, these are the layers which you are ready to set free. These could be fear, doubt, pain from the past, any traumatic incident that happened, any failure that you saw, old identities that keep you small, the relationships which you don't want, the patterns that keep repeating again and again, the memories that drain your soul. It could be in any form and it could be more than one. Now, one by one, as you are pulling out these feelings, these emotions from your body, imagine holding them in your hands like black stones. Each stone represents a weight that you've been carrying and you no longer need. Now, one by one, pick up each stone and throw it into the fire. And as the flame touches the stone, see the stones dissolve instantly into the light. Notice how your body feels as you throw each stone into the light of fire. Pick up one stone, doubt, and throw it. Pick up another stone, fear, and throw it. Pick up another stone, trauma, and throw it. And the more you throw these stones, the flame roars higher and higher, consuming all the things, all the emotions, all the energy that you no longer need. You see it dancing even more vigorously, even more higher and higher, as it dissolves everything that you are throwing into this fire, everything that you are surrendering into the fire. Continue to take deep breaths and continue to throw each and every stone that you have in your hand. Let it burn. Feel the release. Feel the lightness in your body. Feel how good you feel. Feel the burden off your shoulders, off your heart, everywhere in your body, wherever it was stored. Feel it just dissolve away. Now, as the fire burns away the old, imagine stepping into the fire. Yes, step directly into the center of the sacred flames. But instead of burning you, the fire caresses you. It purifies you. It is like the dancing flames, they just wrap around you, hugging you with love and pure passion. And as the fire caresses you, you feel purified, you feel cleansed, you feel elevated. Every cell of your body is now being bathed in the golden fire. It's burning away every hidden fear, every hidden wound, every emotion that you no longer need. It is dissolving generational wounds. It is awakening your inner strength. Now stay here for a moment. You are reborn in the sacred fire. See yourself rising high with the flames high above, lighter, freer, happier, free from all the burdens, free from all the toxicity, free from all the negativity. Now, as you see yourself moving higher and higher, whisper to yourself, I am rising, I am free, I am reborn. Keep both hands on your heart. Again, repeat it to yourself. I am reborn. I am free. I am releasing everything and I am rising. Now, continue to take deep breaths in this new state of freedom. Enjoy this moment. Feel this moment. Feel the lightness in your body. Feel yourself on the top of the flames. Now slowly descend and step out of the flames. And as you slowly step out of the flames, notice that you are not the same person who had entered into the flames. You are now lighter, brighter, stronger, and your aura is shining even more brighter. You can see the halo of golden light behind your crown, behind your head. Now look down at your body. See it glowing with light. The golden aura, which is radiant and untouchable, and the glowing light within your body, which is golden, violet, white, shimmering like the sky, golden sky and the flames. Simply be there. Enjoy the moment as you realize everything that is not needed with you in this version of you has been burned away. Now again, place your hands on your heart and whisper to yourself, I release the old. I rise into my true self. I release the old. I rise into my true self. And when you feel ready, as you continue to take deep breaths, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Rub your palms against each other. Rub them hard enough. Create the heat between the palms. And now slowly keep the palms on your face. Feel how light you feel. Feel how fresh you feel. Feel how risen you feel. Now wiggle your fingers and your toes and slowly open your eyes. Beautiful. You've completed your first sacred fire ritual. Notice how different your energy feels. You now will feel lighter, stronger, freer. In case you still feel that there are some emotions, some feelings stuck somewhere in your body, then just come back to this video and repeat this exercise. So if you are doing it in the evening, do it again in the morning. If you're doing it in the morning, do it again in the evening. And slowly you will feel fresh, lighter, stronger, and freer. And you'll feel that nothing that is needed is left behind, and nothing that is not needed is carried forward. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this so far. If you liked it, press the bell button below and ensure you've subscribed it to the channel, because when you subscribe it to the channel, only then will you be able to receive our next powerful video, which will be another technique to break free from everything that is holding you back and moving into that new life of yours, which is lighter, freer, and ready to take on whatever you want in your life. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.